That's the hawk. Wow, it's beautiful. And he just took out a pigeon.
Look, Mommy. What the fuck is doing with a goddamn
Shut the hell up, woman.
Get your fucking bread out.
She said, get your bread out.
Woman,
You having enough breakfast. Y'all leave them alone.
Kenla, shut the hell up. We're trying to take a picture of this beauty.
I was standing down here for like 5 minutes, like, I need a picture of this thing. I finally ran upstairs to get my camera.
This thing's on full zoom and it's still not close enough. This is... I think this is the type of hawk that was attacking those college students.